Good day, Sir Renel. Our presentation is all about cross-cultural communication in virtual terms. What is cross-cultural communication? Cross-cultural communication refers to the process of recognizing, understanding, and effectively interacting with people from different cultural backgrounds. But it involves being aware of cultural differences in language, values, behavior, and communication styles. Why it matters in virtual world. In virtual environment where much of our interaction happens through screen and text, the risk of any misunderstanding increases. Cultural cues such as tone, body language, and social norms can be harder to detect and interpret. So, dito po, tinutukoy kung ano yung cross-cultural communication at paano ito makakapekto sa virtual world. Understanding culture. Culture is the shared set of values, beliefs, norms, customs, and behaviors that shape how individuals think, communicate, and interact with a group of or society. So, culture daw po, kunyari yung nakasanayan ng isang lugar na gawin, yun po yung culture. Visible versus invisible cultural elements. So, these are the examples. Visible elements in language, dress, food, rituals, and symbols. Invisible elements, which is in beliefs, values, thought patterns, assumptions, and social norms. How culture affects communication styles. Cultural background influences whether people communicate directly or indirectly, how they perceive authority, how they express emotions, and how they interpret silence or gestures. Virtual communication. Virtual communication refers to the exchange of information between individuals or groups using digital tools without being physically present in the same location. So, virtual communications po yung without physically connected, so virtually. Nauso ito lalo nung pandemic. So, common platforms, Zoom, video conferencing for meetings and webinars. Benefits of going virtual: increased flexibility and accessibility, cost effective for global collaboration. So, yun nga. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa doon. Pwede nang mag-virtual. Enables diverse, graphically distributed teams. Challenges of going virtual: time zone coordination, technical difficulties and platform limitations, lack of non-verbal cues leading to misunderstandings.
Cultural barriers in virtual settings. Time zone differences. Coordinating meetings across continents can lead to scheduling conflicts, fatigue, or exclusion of certain team members. Language misunderstandings. Even when using a common language such as English, idioms, slang, and different levels of fluency can lead to confusion or misinterpretation. Nonverbal cues lost. In virtual spaces, body language, facial expressions, and tone may be diminished or missed entirely, affecting the clarity and emotional tone of messages. Technological access. Unequal access to stable internet, update devices, or software tools can hinder participation and create inequities among team members. Case example: brief story of a virtual team miscommunication. A US-based project manager scheduled a video meeting with colleagues from Japan and Germany. The email included the meeting time but didn't clarify the time zone. The Japanese team joined 12 hours early while the German team missed it entirely due to the confusion. What went wrong is the sender assumed everyone would convert the meeting time correctly. Lack of time zone clarification and cultural assumptions about punctuality caused disruption. No follow-up reminders or calendar invites were provided. How it was resolved: the team adopted a shared calendar using UTC time. Future meeting invites were sent with clear time zone conversions. Cross-cultural training was provided to improve awareness and prevent similar issues. Best practices for effective cross-cultural virtual communication. Be culturally aware and open-minded. Recognize and respect cultural differences. Avoid assumptions and stereotypes. Ask questions and stay curious. Use clear and simple language. Avoid jargon, idioms, or complex phrases. Speak slowly and write clearly to ensure everyone understands. Confirm understanding. Check for clarity by summarizing key points or asking open-ended questions. Encourage feedback to avoid miscommunication. Be mindful of time zones. Use scheduling tools that display local times for all participants. Rotate meeting times to accommodate everyone fairly. Tools that can help. Translation tools. Google Translate. Quick translations for text documents or websites. DeepL. More accurate, context-sensitive translations for professional use. Visual collaboration tools. Miro. Interactive whiteboard for brainstorming and mapping ideas across cultures. Canva. Design platform that enables visual expression beyond language barriers. Cultural training platforms. Culture Wizard offers e-learning modules and resources to build cross-cultural awareness and global business skills.